The year is 2025. The world of finance, much like the natural world, is in constant flux. Markets ebb and flow, trends emerge and disappear. Yet amidst this dynamic environment, the astute investor seeks opportunities. They meticulously study the terrain, searching for those hidden gems, companies poised for sustained growth. This journey requires foresight, a keen understanding of global trends, and a measured approach to risk. Today, we embark on an expedition through the intricate world of stock market investment. Our destination: 5 companies that have captured the attention of seasoned investors worldwide. These are not merely stocks, they are gateways to innovation, resilience, and the potential for remarkable returns. But, as with any expedition, we must proceed with caution. This is not a foolproof map to riches. It is a guide designed to equip you, the discerning investor, with the knowledge to navigate the exciting and sometimes turbulent waters of the stock market. So, fasten your seatbelts and let the journey begin. Our first port of call takes us to the heart of American capitalism, Berkshire Hathaway. This conglomerate, a veritable titan of industry, needs little introduction. Its name is synonymous with one man, Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. His investment philosophy, rooted in value investing, has become legendary. Buffett's strategy is simple yet profoundly effective. Identify undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and hold them for the long term. This patient approach has yielded phenomenal returns for Berkshire Hathaway shareholders over decades. But what about the future? The question of succession looms large. Buffett, now in his twilight years, has meticulously planned for the future of his empire. A team of seasoned investors stands ready to take the helm, guided by the principles that have become synonymous with Berkshire Hathaway. While the departure of a legend always carries uncertainty, the company's vast and diversified portfolio, ranging from insurance giants like Geico to iconic brands like Coca-Cola, provides a reassuring ballast. From the established giants, we turn our attention to the pioneers of the digital age. Microsoft, once known primarily for its operating systems, has undergone a remarkable transformation. Under the leadership of Satya Nadella, the company has embraced the cloud, artificial intelligence, and a future brimming with technological possibilities. Microsoft's Azure cloud platform has become a dominant force, challenging the likes of Amazon Web Services. The company's early investments in OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, have positioned it at the forefront of the burgeoning AI revolution. This strategic foresight is already reaping rewards as Microsoft integrates AI seamlessly into its product ecosystem, from its Office suite to its Xbox gaming platform. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Microsoft is pushing the boundaries of computing power with its development of the Majorana 1, a quantum-level processing chip. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to revolutionize fields as diverse as medicine, materials science, and artificial intelligence itself. For investors seeking exposure to the cutting edge of technology, Microsoft offers a compelling proposition. No exploration of the tech landscape would be complete without acknowledging the reigning behemoth Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Its dominance in search, mobile operating systems, and online advertising is undeniable. The sheer scale of its reach, with billions of users worldwide, is staggering. This dominance, however, has not come without scrutiny. Regulators worldwide are grappling with the implications of Alphabet's market power. Antitrust lawsuits and concerns over data privacy pose potential headwinds. The company faces calls to divest some of its assets, including its Chrome browser and Android operating system. Yet, even amidst these challenges, Alphabet's core business remains remarkably robust. Its advertising revenue continues to grow, fueled by the ever-increasing digitization of our lives. The company's forays into artificial intelligence, particularly in areas like machine learning and autonomous driving, offer promising avenues for future growth. For investors willing to navigate the complexities of the regulatory landscape, Alphabet remains a compelling, albeit complex, investment proposition. Section 5. Palantir, the powerhouse of data, in a shifting landscape. From the world of consumer tech, we delve into the realm of data analytics and artificial intelligence with Palantir. This company, often shrouded in secrecy, has become a critical partner to governments and corporations alike. Its software platforms, designed to analyze vast datasets and extract actionable insights, are used in a wide range of applications, from counter-terrorism operations to optimizing supply chains. Palantir's government contracts, particularly with defense and intelligence agencies, have been a significant driver of its growth. The company's expertise in areas like predictive policing and intelligence gathering has made it an indispensable asset in an increasingly complex and uncertain world. However, this reliance on government contracts also carries risks, as geopolitical shifts and changing priorities can impact revenue streams. On the corporate side, Palantir is making inroads into industries like finance, healthcare, and energy. Its platforms are helping companies to combat fraud, accelerate drug discovery, and optimize energy production. This diversification into the private sector is a strategic move, reducing its reliance on government contracts and tapping into new markets with significant growth potential. SoFi, a new dawn for finance in the digital age. Our final destination takes us to the forefront of the fintech revolution, SoFi. This company is not your traditional financial institution. It's a tech company at its core, challenging the established order of banking and finance with its innovative, mobile-first approach. SoFi's target demographic is clear: millennials and Gen Z, digital natives who are comfortable managing their finances entirely online. The company offers a comprehensive suite of financial products and services, from student loan refinancing and personal loans to investment accounts and insurance. Its low fees, user-friendly interface, and focus on financial literacy have resonated with a generation that is often underserved by traditional banks. Since going public in 2021, SoFi has experienced impressive growth. Its deposit base has swelled, rivaling that of some established banking giants. The company's aggressive expansion into new product lines, such as mortgages and credit cards, has further fueled its growth. For investors seeking exposure to the transformative power of fintech, SoFi presents a compelling opportunity. Balancing risk and reward, a measured approach to investment. As we conclude our journey, it's crucial to remember that every investment carries inherent risks. The stock market, while offering the potential for significant returns, is not for the faint of heart. Market volatility, economic downturns, and unforeseen events can impact even the most promising companies. Therefore, a measured and well-researched approach is paramount. Diversification across different sectors and asset classes is key to mitigating risk. Understanding a company's financials, competitive landscape, and growth prospects is essential before making any investment decisions. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective are crucial for success. The power of collective wisdom. Join the discussion. The world of investing can be complex and ever-changing. Staying informed and engaging with other investors is invaluable. That's why we encourage you to join our exclusive Patreon group. Here you'll find a community of like-minded individuals sharing insights, analysis, and engaging in thought-provoking discussions on the latest market trends. Our Patreon community is a hub for learning, networking, and gaining a deeper understanding of the financial markets. We believe that collective wisdom, shared experiences, and diverse perspectives can empower investors of all levels. Join us, and let's navigate the exciting world of investing together. Unlock your potential partnering with Growth School. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, continuous learning is no longer optional, it's essential. That's why we're proud to partner with Growth School, a leading provider of online education in cutting-edge fields like artificial intelligence, data science, and digital marketing. Growth School's mission aligns perfectly with our belief in empowering individuals with the knowledge and skills to thrive in the 21st century economy. Their courses are designed by industry experts offering practical, hands-on learning experiences that translate directly into real-world skills. As a special offer for our viewers, Growth School is offering a 3-hour intensive AI training program, along with a $500 bonus upon completion. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to invest in your future and unlock your full potential. Click in the description for the best platforms to buy stocks and also receive some awesome sign-up bonuses. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you won't miss our daily videos about investing, stocks, passive income, crypto and all things related to finance. Thanks for watching.